since I graduated, since June. That last show, I was introduced as Matt Stanley, the man with 2 first names. I've got to tell you, it felt nice. I think there's plenty of other men who are worthy of that title, given the fact that they also have 2 first names. It's not like I've done anything special to earn them. I didn't pick my names. I was born with them, really. It's been different having graduated now. It's, I guess, different. It's also kind of the same. So now I'm at work. Work's basically the same as uni, except now I actually work less. I do more, and I get paid a monthly student loan I don't have to pay back. I'm talking about that's completely different, isn't it? Another good thing about work as opposed to uni is I now live in a house on my own. It's a very big house in the country. That's not boasting. It's I think it's Blur. I was convinced that would work. It's okay, don't worry. Yeah, so on Monday I'm going on a sort of work retreat kind of thing. It's a yearly thing that first year grads go on. It's at some creepy old manor house. It lasts a week. A little bit scared of it. Apparently, everyone who goes there is told to never mention it again. And never talk to other graduates about it, people who might be coming in the next year. Anytime I have tried to ask them about it, they always come back to me with things like, "You will see," or "Don't worry about it so much," or "Try to avoid the werewolves that will try and kill you there." Whatever that's supposed to mean. Basically, I'm a little bit worried about it. The place, as well, is called New Place, which sounds like the name of a Netflix original about a haunted mansion. Also, I looked it up online and read a review on TripAdvisor that was written on the 23rd of this month by Jane from Bude. Jane from Bude said, she called it horrifyingly bad service, scare, really bad food, and help! Help! There's a ghost in my room! I might have exaggerated the last bit, it might have been something about a lovely big bed, but you get the point. I'm worried about this thing, and so to try and get me over why I'm worried about it, I'm just going to kind of lay out a situation to you now of what I imagine might happen here, so that I'm prepared for it in the event that it does. I will warn you that I've only seen about 2 horror films, so this could get real tenuous. But that's what people like in stand-up, I've told. Tenuousness, it's great fun. Honestly, I swear, if the bus breaks down outside these creepy, twisted, wrought iron gates in a thunderstorm, I'm going to lose it. Not least because we're not going by bus. But it could happen. And then we'll probably have to walk the last 100 metres. 100 Metres is a horror film. It's the name of a horror film, so that was a pun. As a side note, I once knew someone who we called the joke killer, because any time that she told or heard a joke, she would immediately explain why it was funny. That's observational comedy. That's irony. That's the third rule of 3. And this isn't funny because I killed the joke. You see how it works? It's great. So we walk up through this entrance. I'm a little bit nervous still. I'm very nervous. This thunderstorm's really kicking down some rain. But I walk through the door and there's a man, a tall man, grey skin. He sort of reaches forward his hand. "Hello, welcome to..." And I cut in with, "I'm on to you, Jerry! Back off! I know what's happening here." I don't know what's happening here. his name's probably Jerry. It's just the name that they go for. It's the most inconspicuous name, apart from John. But that would be too obvious. We'd see that coming from a mile off. So I'm sort of wielding two candlesticks that I found in the entranceway, trying to ward off the living dead, Jerry. That's what he is. I have no idea at this point. Obviously, I wouldn't talk into it like a microphone. They're just candlesticks. But the worst part, really, is that Jerry's not even a fucking vampire. He's just a guy, and his grey skin is a result of a hereditary vitamin deficiency in combination with years of chain smoking and a general preference for PlayStation over natural sunlight. And I've judged him based on his physical appearance. So in this horror story, I guess I'm the bad guy. And that's a twist I've never seen in a horror film before. Thank you. I have been Matt Stanley, the man with two first names. I'll see you around. Maybe not. Depends what Jerry's got planned. Thanks.